Why does your scanner show the P0796 engine code? What does it mean? P0796 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid C performance or stuck off. The P0796 engine code indicates that an abnormal reading from the pressure control solenoid is detected when the transmission control module, TCM, is triggered. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: a faulty pressure control solenoid C, dirty transmission fluid, a clogged transmission filter, a defective transmission valve body, a faulty transmission pump, damaged wiring or connectors, restrictions in the hydraulic passages, a fault in the PCM. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, GMC, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.